Hello and thanks for tuning in to Beach Woodcraft. Today we're making a wooden drawer pull for our lounge chair side table. Rather than explain how it's going to work, I'm just going to take you through it and show you the results at the end. So let's get started. I've got the dado stack set up to a 1/2 inch wide in saw, and I'm going to take out a almost 1/2 inch groove out of this white oak that I glued up. So good thing I looked at this and paid a little bit closer attention. This is an unsafe cut, so we have to stop and figure out how to do this. As you can see, as this piece gets through the blade, it's going to lose support on the table. And it could fall in, it could grab my hand and pull me in. So I'm really super glad that I hesitated, and we didn't have to do this on the router table. Okay, we're here at the shaper. I've got a regular jointing bit set up in the machine. I'm going to take it in multiple steps. Let's get started.
Okay, here we've got a straight fluted rabbiting or dado bit in the shaper, and I'm raising the bit up after each pass to get up to a line I've marked. This was an operation that couldn't be done safely on the table saw, but we're taking care of it over here on the shaper.
Okay, so you can see our groove. We made it up to the line, or close enough. Now back to the table saw to finish cutting this profile, and you'll see what the drawer pull is going to look like.
Well, unfortunately, our camera decided not to work during most of the rest of the processing of this piece. But we used the bandsaw with the table set at 10 degrees to put a nice little bevel on the top, and then we use the miter gauge to put 10-degree cuts on both ends. This gives the piece a little bit more interest.